My name is Aishwarya. I'm from North Carolina, and here's my engineering story.
My first engineering project was through the Science Olympiad program, where I built a bottle rocket to safely carry an egg to the highest altitude. We didn't succeed with the parachute since it got stuck in the net, but I was able to learn from the experience. While I was comfortable working with my peers, I noticed that some of my friends weren't competing in the same competitions as me, and there weren't as many girls in build events like bottle rocket. It was there that I saw that the problem wasn't that girls aren't involved in STEM. It's that they were intimidated. I've been invited as a winner for my poster on STEMocracy and invited to the SWE19 conference. It was there that I attended the Sheila workshop in Anaheim. At the convention, being among like-minded girls was very empowering. I took this back with me to my SWE Women in Computer Science Club. As the founding president, I started an outreach initiative of placing posters with quotes from inspirational women in engineering all around our school. These posters brought over 20 girls to our club. I brought 5 mentors from UNC and NC State universities to provide advice about college degrees and advice about being a woman in STEM. I trained my club to participate in a competition called Girls Go CyberStart, where we solved problems together as a team. And when someone reached a dead end during our collaborative problem-solving sessions, we would take the SWE mentality of describing the dead end as an epic fail and dissect the problem together as a team, providing the girls an open space to make failures and learn from it. Using this mentality, girls from our team placed first in the state out of 34 teams and 5th in the nation out of 50 teams. In terms of my personal accomplishments, I interned with NC State's statistics department, where I worked on a data science research project with an application on dementia patients. My team and I created a model to predict whether a patient would develop dementia based on their initial conditions using R. Apart from that, in order to improve the quality of life for low-income and minority communities who live near agricultural facilities, I conducted independent research to treat agricultural waste with NC State's Agricultural and Biological Engineering Department. But my passion for engineering doesn't stop there. Environmental awareness has always been close to my heart. Last year, I was invited with a full scholarship to attend the International Greenbelt Conference, where top leaders of sustainability gathered, and I was there as the youngest. Of many things, one event that stood out to me was the Women in Green Power Luncheon. I was at a loss of words. It was empowering. I was able to bring my experience from the SWE conference to my passion for the environment. Besides that, I was able to network with amazing women. The connections I've made with SWE have helped me in so many ways, starting from my club, with mentoring advice, all the way to providing feedback to entrepreneur competitions like Conrad and Toshiba. The spirit of never giving up has stayed with me even during COVID-19, where I competed and won in virtual competitions like Sigma Chi.
From a journey that started all the way from building bottle rockets to research, the SWE mentality is something that I've seen flip a switch for me to achieve the next level for STEM, and that's why I'm excited to be considered for this award.